Hi, welcome back to my channel, Giselle here. So in this video, I would like to explain to you that how long should be the tutorial, okay? So how long the tutorial videos be, okay? So as my experience for that when I was started in the YouTube videos or YouTube channel, so before you verify that is you can get less than 15 minutes, okay? So before you verify as in the YouTube channel, okay? So because for the very beginning, of course everyone knows that if you want to start it first, you have to download before 15 minutes. So after already verified, so you can download after that. But I noticed that everyone asking, or I don't have my watch hour or my views because I noticed that my tutorial is longer length of the video. So try your best to make it lesser but very good, and the content, the algorithm, the content is very fantastic, okay? So you have to try your video tutorial less than 15 minutes or 10 minutes, or if you want to get longer, as depend on your audience, okay? So if your audience is watching you most or longer than your tutorial be what how it is you download, so try your best to download longer if you really want. But of course 2 hours tutorial is very long, okay? It's very long. And then of course if depend how it is your content, very interested, or the people or the audience will try to try to learn from your video. So go ahead the 2 hours, or go ahead the 1 hours, like 60 minutes, okay? So you have to try that everything, and then you have to think first your algorithm or the audience, because if you never think your audience that you download more than 2 hours, more than 3 hours, it cannot be like that. Of course you have to download according to the YouTube algorithm. So I learned from that is if you have longer videos, it will add more longer your YouTube channel. Like for example, longer videos about 20 minutes, okay? So about 25 minutes or 30 minutes, your watch time or watch hour will be expanded also, okay? So that is what I have get experience in my YouTube channel, okay? So it will it will be grow faster and faster, the watch hour and the views, okay? So as my experience, like for example, I do the tutorial about longer, so the people were watching only for few minutes, so I noticed in my analytics about few minutes only, so I change into lower about 15 minutes. Sometimes I do the 10 minutes. It depend your audience, okay, or depend your tutorial, what is the title, what is the topic, okay? So if you want to do the step by steps less than 15 minutes, go ahead, okay? Go ahead. And then try your best, try your best not to too long, because people will be bored and they will be cut off, and then they will go to the other videos or other channel, okay? So because most of us to learn from that, they want to learn what is the tutorial topic, okay? So how to do this, how to do that, so everyone want to learn from that, okay? So everyone is watching. Find your YouTube, of example, someone will watching you, if you reach about 20 minutes like that, so it cannot be like that, okay? So if you want longer, about 30 minutes, of course the answer you don't teach at the middle, otherwise they won't watch at the end, okay? So the answer of the question or the answer of the tutorial is you must put at the end, like for example climax, the movie all, so they can end at the end, so the climax, you have to go to the climax at the end, because if you put the climax at the middle, of course no one is watching, or you already know the answer. So try your best, okay? Less than 15 minutes also can, okay? So everyone will come and interested your YouTube channel, will come and visit you and watch you because of your videos less than 10 minutes, less than 15 minutes, okay? So try your best, as depend on your audience, okay? It's depend on your audience. If your audience, you can see the analytic that your audience is watching more than 10 minutes, okay, go ahead. More than 15 minutes, go ahead. But if you try already about 1 hour, about 60 minutes, and then your audience is watch only for a few minutes, so better stop and then try your best that what is your audience is, how long they are watching, so better make that tutorial for the length videos, okay? So try your best about less than 10 minutes or 20 minutes, less than, not don't over for the 20 minutes or 30 minutes. It's quite already long for the 30 minutes. It's going to be 1 hour. Okay, so that is my experience, because everyone asking that, oh, how long it is. So I advise more than 15 minutes, or I advise my friend about 10 minutes, you know. So as I realize, I keep on doing and watching my YouTube videos is less than 15 minutes or 15 minutes, or not even more than 20 minutes. Okay, so quite long already. So try your best to be short and valid, and short but interested. Okay, so it's depend your audience. Okay, it's really depend on your audience. So it's try your best to be less everything. Okay, so everyone asking me, even I ask myself that how long the video tutorial, how long, what is the effect that, you know, it will affect to my YouTube channel, or it will affect my watch hours. So what is the best thing that, you know, what is the best thing, or how long do the tutorial, the video length. Okay, so once I know, I get to know, I found it was less than 20 minutes is better. Okay, 20 minutes is better, and then you get more videos. But if you want the watch hour more longer, and then your audience is less, so better you make. It's depend of your audience. Okay, that is the best time that I can tell you. Try your best to be a videos, like for example 10 minutes of below 10 minutes, below 15 minutes, or below 20 minutes. Okay, of course it's depend your tutorial. That is what I said. It depend of your content. Okay, so that is what I learned from my YouTube channel when I was started, or when I already verified. Of course, you must remember, before you verify, you have to download less than 15 minutes, because they won't allow you. Okay, so try your best. After you already verified, try your best to download more than 15 minutes when you are beginner. Of course, you already a lot of audience, you can download before less than 15 minutes. That is what I am, you know, that is what I am doing my YouTube videos or my YouTube channels. Because if you get more longer and longer, the audience is get bored. Okay, get bored, or they won't watch, or they will cut at the halfway for 2 minutes, you know. So you have to try your best that you go through the about less than 10 minutes or less than 15 minutes. Okay, not more than 20 minutes. Okay, so you can do, actually it's depend. But if you really want to do like your audience more than 20 minutes they are watching, go for it. Or if you really want your audience watch you every time, that, you know, you catch them or you pick them, of course the audience will catch you or will watch you. So try your best to dig there when you want to ever be interested in your YouTube channel. Okay, so if you really want to stay with them, okay, so try your best, less than 20 minutes is the best way. Okay, so that is what I have own experience in my YouTube channel. When I already do, example, you do every day, my technique is when I do every day, you can do less than 15 minutes or 15 minutes. If you do about once a week, okay, you get more than 20 minutes or 20 minutes like that. Okay, so it's depend of your audience or depend of your content. You know, the vlog is quite different. The vlog is, they can more than 20 minutes. Okay, so the tutorial is must be less than 20 minutes or less or 20 minutes. Okay, it's very long hour when you reach, you want to go to the 2 hours. Okay, about, you know, you want to do the 120 minutes or you want to do 60 minutes, is quite very long. So you will be get bored unless the audience is really want to know what you are talking about. Okay, so try your best about less than 10 minutes or less than 15 minutes. Of course, sorry, that if you less than 10 minutes, you must depend also how it is your ads. Okay, if you want to earn from that. Okay, so try your best less than 20 minutes, or it's better 15 minutes. Okay, if you really want to catch your audience, if you really think about them. Okay, so as a YouTuber, we have to think what is our audience wants. Okay, so not you wants. Okay, so what is your audience wants? You know, your algorithm, you can know. You can know your analytic, what is your audience doing, what they are watching. So if your tutorial algorithm, then you can do it for the tutorial. Okay, so it's depend on that. The tutorial longer is less than 20 minutes is the best. Okay, less than 20 minutes is really best for you. Thank you guys for watching. I hope please subscribe my channel and please support my channel. Thank you so much. If you are new, please subscribe, then I will be happy. Thank you so much. Bye.